welcome back to another episode of Thunkable App Development. Okay, in today's class, we're going to learn about tab navigation. You guys know what tab navigation is? Maybe not, maybe yes. But I can explain it to you right here and right now. You know, in lots of apps, you see these tabs which let you navigate between screens. Home, like home, help, library, etc., etc. So, do you wonder how you create those tabs? Super duper simple. And today, I will show you. In today's class, we're going to be learning about 3 navigations. Number 1, top tab navigator. Number 2, bottom tab navigator. And number 3, drawer tab navigator. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's code! Before we start, I want to show you an example of an app I created with the navigators in the app. Okay, and I'm going to preview this. Okay, here we go. As you can see, I have 6 screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, down on the bottom here, I have a bottom tab navigator. And it shows different screens that I can move to, like home, resources, services, telehealth, volunteers, and help, right? See how easy it is to do the navigators? See, as you can notice, if I go to a different screen, the navigator won't disappear. Okay, so I can easily access the thing. So say I'm using this app and I need help. Okay, and I want to check out the latest resources. So I can go to the resource place, super easy. So this is just an example. We're going to create another Thunkable project. Log into my account. Oops, I've auto-logged now on. And I'm going to create a new app. I'm going to put test _ navigation. Okay. Oops, the G, extra G. Great. Okay, our project is booting up. Okay, here we have it. We're in a fresh new Thunkable project. Before I start, I want to tell you the 3 types of navigators. So, here in the component section, I'm going to scroll down to layout. Here, we have 4 navigators. We're going to cover 3 of them. So, a top tab navigator shows up at the top of your app and allows users to switch between different screens by clicking. A bottom tab navigator is at the bottom of your app and will also let you switch between different screens as you click. And a drawer navigator, you can swipe the screen to show options for other screens and select the other screens to navigate. So, we have created a new project and I'm going to show you an example with each one of these. Drawer navigator, bottom tab navigator, and top navigator. Stack navigator we'll cover later. But okay, let's start with the bottom tab navigator. Let's go get our bottom tab navigator and drag it in to the screen. Okay, now we have the bottom tab navigator. It comes with a couple of default screens. You can keep them if you want. Let me delete these 4 default screens that got added when I added the navigator. So delete, 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 and delete. Let us add our own screens to these navigators. Okay, let's create 3 screens. Screen 1, screen 2, and screen 3. Okay, let's rename them, let's see, home, settings. We're not going to be creating a real app here, but I'm just going to use realistic names. Settings. Oops, I accidentally renamed it. Silly me. Okay, I can just keep this at settings. go here and do home. And here I can do contact. Okay, so as you can see, we have three screens, but they're not in the bottom tab navigator. They're all separate components. Here on the contact setting and home screens, let's go add a text box that says, or label, that would say, this is contact screen. This is the contact screen. Okay, and I'm going to rename this to contact. And here on home, I'm going to add another label on home. And this label is going to be named home. And its text is going to say, this is home screen. And last but not least, settings. Here we're going to add another label, which will say, this is the settings screen. And let's name this label settings. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and start. It's super duper simple. Okay, let's go ahead and collapse all these components here. You see this small arrow here? Click on it. Collapsed, collapsed, and collapsed. Now, all we have to do to make the navigator appear is to drag all these three screens right under the navigator. So, I'm ready. I'm going to drag this and put it right here. Perfect. Home now, and put it right there. Perfect. And contact. Let's go. Did it. Okay, let's run it and try. I'm going to collapse that, and I'm going to preview. Right here we have it, a navigator. Woohoo! Yeah, this is awesome, but you don't see any icons here, right? Like how I did in my app. I can show you how you can. Okay, we can go to the bottom tab navigator component by clicking over here on the app tree. Let me show you different properties in the bottom tab navigator. I'm pretty sure these properties are the same with the other navigators, but okay. Here, you can do background color, active tint color. Let me do the background color as blue, my favorite color. And the tint color, I'll do green. When it is not the active tab, it's a different color we can do. Let me do red and orange. Okay. And we can do show label and icon. If you don't want the icons, you can just show the label. And if you don't want the label, you can just show the icon. Okay, you can configure each of the icons in the respective screens. Okay guys, here, once you scroll all the way down in the properties of the respective screen, you're going to find the navigation options. Here you can change the title or the tab bar label. The screen name is the default, but you can change the name here, right over here. And icons. I'm going to show you some really cool icons. This is where you upload the icons for both active and inactive. Active is, I'll say it again, active is like when that screen is on and people are using that screen, it's that image. And on inactive, it's a different image or the same. Depends. I'm going to show you an example of an image. I'm going to do home.png. Put it right over here. Okay, let me go test this out. It's right over here, home.png. Okay, let me test this out. I'm so excited. Yes, the colors I changed work too. Oh my gosh, this is insanely cool. Oh, cool. And if I go to... Oh, wow. I love this. This is so cool. Wow. I'm going to do a settings one for the settings right now. Let's see if we have an image for that. Okay, active, upload files. Let's see, settings. Let's put this. And, ooh, it's added, quiz.png. I just selected some random one and boom. Okay, and contact, I'll put something else, okay? Let's see what we're gonna put for contact. Let's upload. Let's put this, or no, this doctor's bag. There we go, we got it. It's super cool, guys, right? And now I'm gonna show you the top tab navigator. It's the same thing, but just on the top. Okay, I'm selecting the top tab navigator from layout and dragging it onto my screen. Yep, there we go, we got them. So, now I'm going to have to delete the default screens again. Boop, boop. And boop. And boop. Okay, now we got it. So, we're going to take these and put them into the top tab navigator instead. Okay, and I'm going to right now delete the bottom tab navigator. And delete it. Okay, here we go. So top tab navigator, settings, home, contact. And if we preview it, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, real cool. Okay, let's get the colors out. Where's the colors? We need colors. Colors are the best. It should be in the navigators itself. Yes, here. Red, blue, orange, green. Okay, this is good. And I'm gonna preview it. Let's see the colors. Yeah, colors. Okay, guys. So let's do the drawer navigator and let's move these to the drawer navigator. Boop, boop, and delete time. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to show you it real quick. And we're just going to test if it works here. Yep, it works. So basically what you can do here is for it to activate, you have to click and swipe. And here it shows, like right here, you have all these options to do. It's so cool. All you have to do is click, swipe, and switch the screens. Okay guys, I showed you how to create navigators, use different types of navigators, and change colors, add images, and have lots of fun with them. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please drop a like and subscribe, and really appreciate it if you do. See you later. Get coding!